Welcome to a recently completed Lighting for Impact collaboration with Wakefern's Locurcio Family Market ShopRite store in Nutley, New Jersey. We caught up with store manager Ken Tice to learn how their new shelf lighting installations in health and beauty, bakery aisles, and end caps were enhancing the shopper experience.
The impact on the overall lighting, whether your store is remodeled or just recently at the same status it was, it just makes everything pop. It gives it a whole new ambiance, and when you're walking through the store, it's a different experience, I feel, for the customer. It definitely brings more vibrance to the store as opposed to your traditional shelving and the way product is laid out. You definitely see a pop in the product. It's kind of like going into a jewelry store and they have lit showcases and the jewelry looks nicer when there's a light on it. It's the same thing for product, you know, and it also gives it a cleaner impression too of your shelves. The lighting does also enhance the product in many ways besides just the initial pop. It also helps with people reading the labels better and looking at the small, finer print. The end caps too, because you want to bring attention more to your sale items and just maybe your high profit items that you're trying to push to get more awareness of in the store when people are shopping. I think it's a good thing. It's another advantage of having the lit shelves. Lighting in an aisle or an end cap would probably keep them there longer than if it wasn't well lit. No, I just think to have lighting put in your store to give yourself a competitive edge against your competition, I think it gives you a step up from where you are and where you could be at. You know, as long as you run a good store and you're neat and clean, I think the lighting could only enhance the image both to your customers and even your workers. So it's just a very good impression